Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is very exciting. It is a review of a new fragrance in my collection. So if you're interested in hearing my thoughts, then stay tuned. Also, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more fragrance, home decor, minimalism, decluttering, and sometimes fashion-related content. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be discussing one of my newest perfumes to my collection. I just received it today, and this is Ylang and Gold from Micallef. So I'm very, very excited. I've been waiting for this one for a while. So we'll go through and I'm going to do a first impression. I haven't actually smelt this perfume yet, so this will be a first impressions for me. But I wanted to share with you how impressed I am with ordering from the house directly in general, instead of ordering from a discount site or a third party. Not that there's anything wrong with that. I order from discount sites and third parties all the time. In fact, that's how I get most of my perfumes. But I was just really super impressed when I opened up the box and got all of this stuff in the box. So I wanted to share with you kind of the perks, just in case you're new to this and you haven't ordered directly from the house before. This is kind of the perks of ordering directly from the perfume house. So they sent me a little book which has all of their different fragrances inside and like information about all of them. Just really, really neat. And then this is the nose behind it. I apologize, I don't know a whole lot about the House of Micallef, but it's just pretty cool that they send you all of this information. The other benefit is that they also send you samples, of course. So of course you do get samples from other websites, but they just send you like complimentary samples, which is pretty cool. And some houses actually let you pick the samples that you want as well. And of course, they also send a discount code and a little thank you card. So it's just kind of like nice little perks. It just feels a little bit more luxurious when you pay the full price and order directly from the house. So anyways, without further ado, let's go through and test these. I think what I'm going to do is leave the Ylang and Gold for last because that's the one I'm most excited about, and we're going to go through and smell these samples together. And I don't have any of the notes. I haven't looked at the notes for any of these, so we're just going to do it together, and I will put the notes on the screen afterward if there's anything that's really impressive, but otherwise we're just going to smell them together now and see what we think. Okay, so the samples that they sent me, and you guys, I am going to butcher these names. I don't even know if I'll try to pronounce it. What is this? Ananda something? Ananda, I don't know how to say that, you guys. I don't want to butcher it. But anyway, this is what it looks like. And what the neat thing is that they give you all the notes as well. So this one is supposed to have a top note of lemon and bergamot. It's got green tea, nutmeg, heliotrope, thyme, fern, ylang ylang, rose, spices, white musk, cedar, amber, and woody vanilla, it says. So this is an olfactive family of citrus and spicy, and it says precious green tea leaves delicately mixed with amber infusion results in an exquisite, poetic, and sensual scent. So I'm just going to give the paper a spray, and then we'll come back and smell it. Okay, so I just sprayed the first one. Oh, am I supposed to shake this? What? No, that's just an air bubble, because it says you're supposed to shake this one. That's why I was wondering. So this is interesting. Definitely like a fresh spiciness to it. It's like a citrusy, spicy, but then it has this really pretty, like ambery, vanilla, woody kind of a base to it. It's okay. I wouldn't say it's my favorite. It's kind of a, I don't know, it's kind of a different smelling fragrance. I wouldn't say that I like this one for myself. Yeah, a little bit too spicy for me. It smells a little bit too much like a spice I would discover in a cupboard kind of thing. I don't think I would wear this, but it is, it's interesting, but there's something about it that's kind of bothering me. I don't know if it's the tea. There's something in it that just kind of reminds me of like a really spicy tea, and I'm not really loving it. So anyway, that's our first one. I will probably gift that to somebody at some point in the future. By the way, you guys, if you're interested in anything that you hear me talking about decluttering, definitely write me on Instagram. And when I do my perfume declutter, I will probably get rid of some of these as well. We'll leave this one for last because that one looks amazing. So let's check out this one, and I can actually pronounce this one. This is Mon Parfum Pearl. So the bottle is white, looks really nice. And this olfactive family is floral powdery, which I do tend to like. So it has top notes of rosebud, tangerine, and blackcurrant. It has middle notes of heliotrope, centifolia, rose, peony, and the base is rice powder, white musk, and vanilla bean. And it says, Mon Parfum Pearl is intensely feminated. Oh my God, you guys, I cannot talk. Is intensely feminine, a sophisticated and refined fragrance enhanced by the elegance of an exclusive bottle. Okay, so let's give this one a quick spray. Okay, so here goes Mon Parfum Pearl. This one's actually very, very nice. Oh my gosh, that one's actually very, very nice. Oh, that smells really, really, really good, you guys. Wow. So yeah, this is the one Mon Parfum Pearl, and to me it basically smells like, oh my god, there's something like super delicate about it. It's like really delicate, pretty flowers. There's like a powderiness to it, but it's kind of like a vibrant powderiness. Oh my gosh, that smells really, really nice. Oh, that's so pretty. What am I smelling? Okay, so I'm definitely getting heliotrope. The rice powder is really apparent. I think that's what's giving it this like different vibe. It's a powderiness unlike any kind of a powder I've ever smelled before. It doesn't smell like Valentina Poudre or anything like that. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. And then I'm getting some florals for sure. The vanilla bean for sure. This is beautiful. This is one that would almost be full bottle worthy. Very unique and very soft and very feminine. It's absolutely beautiful, you guys. Wow. Okay, so that one I'm gonna keep, and I'm gonna have to practice wearing it. I'm gonna have to try wearing it and see what I think. That one's really, really, really nice. I don't know how expensive this one is. The Ylang and Gold wasn't too terribly expensive, I don't think. This one looks like it might be pricier. I don't know. Let's set that one aside. That one's really, really nice. Really, really, really nice. Okay, so let's check out this one. This is the 20th anniversary. The bottle looks amazing, you guys. And I guess this is to celebrate their 20 years. So it says, this luxurious bottle, heritage of the collection Les Exclusifs, is to celebrate the 20th anniversary of Perfumes and Micallef, a refined and subtle cocktail with notes of white roses, transparent jasmine, divana, orange blossom, supported by warm notes of patchouli, caramel, and precious woods. So, that sounds good. I like orange blossom, I like caramel, I like patchouli, I like jasmine. So yeah, let's give this one a spray. Okay, let's see how their 20th anniversary fragrance here is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's really pretty. Micallef, what have you done to me? You're trying to take all my money. Oh my god, that's so pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh, that is, wow. Oh, you guys, I haven't smelled anything like this before. This is beautiful. This is terrible. I'm gonna end up with so many more perfumes in my collection that I really don't need. This one is better than that one, in my opinion. They're different. This one's better. This smells extremely ritzy. It smells elegant. It smells expensive. It smells like the foyer of a very, very high-end luxury resort in the best way possible. The flowers, the ambiance, the richness. Oh my god, it's so good. It's like got a sweetness to it. Wow, you guys, I'm not even kidding with you. I have not smelled anything like that. It smells about the way that it looks. Super expensive and sophisticated and high-end. Not sexy at all, like nothing like that. Just like, oh my god, like opulent. Opulent, opulent. That's what it smells like. You want to smell like $1 million bucks? This is your one. Oh, these people know what they're doing. When they sent me these samples, they totally knew what they were doing, except the chai one. I'm not into the tea one, but they definitely were thinking, oh my gosh. Yeah, that is gorgeous. I'm not going to talk about this one too much anymore, but wow, wow, wow is all I can say. We'll set this one aside. I'm going to have to check out the prices. Okay, so moving on to the Ylang and Gold by Micallef. This is what the packaging looks like. It is a really nice box, and it comes wrapped in this little one layer of plastic. That's what the top looks like. It's gorgeous. I actually purchased this perfume. I do have to give credit where credit is due. I've heard two people talking about this now. I've heard Demi Rawling talking about this, and I've also heard a girl named Pika. I'm not sure the name of her channel. I think it's Pika Perfume Reviews or something like that. I'm going to put a link down below. Check her out. She's new. She's up and coming. I think she's like just under 1,000 subscribers, and she has really, really good recommendations. And this is the box. It has like this really pretty paper detail. It's got the little House of Micallef symbol on the top, and this is how it opens. Oh my goodness. Look at this bottle, you guys. Wow. I'm impressed with this house. I'm like beyond impressed already. Super, super nice. So it has a little card in here that says, attention, shake well before use. So obviously it does have some like little gold flecks in there. You guys, how beautiful is this bottle? Okay, so this is the bottle. If the packaging alone doesn't make you want to run out and buy this fragrance, I don't know what will. This is easily the prettiest bottle that I have in my collection. I did just get, I believe this is only a 30 ml. Yeah, it's a 1.2 fluid ounce, so I did only get the 30 ml, mostly because of price point and because this was a blind buy. I haven't smelt this before. The lid looks like a little golden nugget. It looks like a piece of gold. It's got these little crystals bedazzled all over the front. It's like incredibly luxurious. Wow, wow, wow. I'm like nervous to spray this because I have such high expectations. So I'm going to give it a shake and I'm going to give it a spray. And before I do that, apparently this is supposed to be kind of a somewhat tropical smelling. There's coconut, there's vanilla, there's ylang, obviously. There's a few other notes, but apparently it's like one of the yummiest, most beautiful ylang fragrances you've ever smelt. And apparently it's also a huge compliment getter. So very, very excited. Let's give it a spray. I'm super pumped. Okay, you guys, I'm really excited. Oh wow, that's really nice. So this perfume smells luxurious. It smells very high-end, similar to how that one, it's the same kind of vibe. It's like, oh, it's super high-end, super pretty. It's like sparkling, glistening, vanilla, like very subtly ylang. I don't really get much coconut. You can't really tell. It's not like a tropical scent. I wouldn't say it's a tropical scent by any means. Oh my gosh, it's just very nice. It's like delicate, luxurious. It smells like what it looks like, you guys. It just smells like what it looks like. Pretty, golden, like a touch yellow, if that makes any sense at all. Oh my God, it smells amazing. It smells like gold. It smells like gold. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm not even kidding with you. This is probably one of the best, if not the best, perfumes in my collection. Hands down. I'm definitely going to be ordering more from this house. Wow. Oh my God, you guys. Yeah, this perfume has left me speechless. It really has left me speechless. I don't know what to say. Where would I wear this perfume, you guys? I honestly don't know. This is like special occasion perfume. This is one of the most expensive, luxurious, beautiful, feminine, sweet, pretty fragrances I have in my entire collection. I really don't even know. And also, I don't know if you can see, but there's like little shimmers of, obviously it's probably not real gold, but it looks like there's little shimmers of gold in there. It's just like amazing. I don't know where I would wear this. It's one that I'm going to try to probably savor and only wear sparingly, and I'm definitely going to keep the box. This really sets the standard for a lot of fragrances, honestly. I'm just honestly speechless. You guys, has a fragrance ever left you speechless before? If so, comment below and tell me what fragrance left you speechless. This is the first time I've ever tried fragrances from a house that has actually left me speechless. It has like a subtle hintness of a golden vibe to it, like a very subtle, the most luxurious ylang you can ever imagine smelling. And then it's got this, oh my God, how do I even describe it? It's just too pretty. I don't even know how to describe it. You just have to try it for yourself. I think I paid 79 euros for this. I believe it was euros. This one here is also amazing, but I do think the ylang is better. It's probably the best one out of these three. So this was just a first impressions. I can't speak to the longevity. I can't speak to the sillage, but it's just absolutely stunning. And this is one I'm definitely going to have to save for a little bit more of a special occasion. So all I can say is it's a really good thing that they sent me a 10% discount coupon, because I'm probably going to end up using it to buy one more bottle of perfume for sure. So anyways, I'd be interested to hear your guys' thoughts down below if you've tried any of these, what your thoughts are. And don't be surprised if you see a bottle of this floating around in my collection sometime very, very soon. Absolutely beautiful. So you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please let me know your thoughts down below. I'm really interested to hear if you have this perfume or what your thoughts are on it. Do head on over and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I do share a lot more on there that I don't on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.